Hi guys, welcome to my video. I'm Jay and today I'm going to create some mazes because it's coming up to Christmas and I want to make some maze books, yeah, for KDP, so let's jump into it. So here we are. I'm going to make some circle mazes. Now I can make this bigger, but it doesn't really matter, and transparency, yeah, so I can make it harder and all that, yeah. But I can make different mazes. I can make circle, square, triangle, and custom, yeah. I'll show you where I got this from as well. If you want to make some of these, let's get into it, yeah. So we can make it dead easy like this. So there you go. We can put these on, and this can show you solutions. And yeah, just pull these off a minute. And there's a lot you can do with this, but I'm not going to go too much into detail. I'm just going to make some simple mazes. Now look, we can make it a bit more complex, yeah? Let's have a quick look at this one. Yeah, so we can move it. You can move it where you want. You can have it in the middle. Or, and this is what I love about it, you can make it really, really hard. Look at this, guys. Imagine trying to do this. Yeah, so we'll put this somewhere and then try it there, and look, it gives you a solution. Yeah, imagine trying to do that. Now what's fun, you can move this wherever you want. You start points, yeah. Well, let's move this guy out of the way. Yeah, you can. I love it, guys, I love it. Yeah. Right, so you could look for like let's have a look on I mean, when you're searching for your books and your keywords and that, you could put into like rock art, like impossible mazes. Do you know what I mean? But what's good about this, right, so you can change the wall and looks you can, when you're downloading, you can do all these different things, guys. Yeah, so if you want a black on it, you can have that. You can load your own up. You can have it as black. Yeah. You can zoom in a bit. How's this one? Yeah, you could have. It's up to you guys. You can move all these off it like that if you don't want to show you. Like I said, this one you can zoom in and out. Yeah, you don't want that. Let's delete it. Back to normal. Yeah. So you play around with these for your path image. The path image is what you need for, like, you know, where the solution's going to go. I do like these as well. Imagine trying to do that. Imagine giving this your kid, telling him to have a go at that. I'll keep him quiet, won't it? Yeah, so what you do, guys. 1 minute, let me just pull that back. Yeah, I'm going to download this one. So you play around with this. If you want like your wall as black, or you can have it as not. Yeah, I'll have it as black, so then it kind of cut these. Yeah, but then you download it, right? If you want to, so you can download it without the solution. You might as well keep the arrows on it. So download it. Downloads as PNG. Then you download it with the solution. And there you go, guys. Yeah. Then what you can do, then you can upload it to Canva and then put some like images on that. But if it's for adults, like this would be for adults, this one, you wouldn't really. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to delete that, delete the complexity. Yeah, we'll have it. Have it 5. Let's see what it does. 1 minute, like. Yeah, let's make it a little bit bigger. yeah, so you could have it like that for kids, couldn't you? You could have it something simple like that. And I'll have it there. Yeah. And you download that. So you can download it without the solution, like I said. Download with the solution. Then what you can do then, you can render another one. And if you want to change these around, you could do, yeah. Mod that one like there. And then you download it. Download it by the solution. That is it, guys. Let's just do it that minute. Take these off. You can edit it and do lots of other stuff in it, guys, but I don't want to go into that detail. You can actually create your own, and I'll show you now. So let's go over to this. The app itself is called Simply Maze Crazy. Yeah, and it's a discover hidden income stream that you can tap into in minutes within little to no design. And it's true, guys. Look, you can make these kind of mazes, these shapes. Yeah. You choose the shape and how complex it is. Yeah. Let me show you. Look, you've got your own custom like shapes. No other maze program lets you actually go into and edit the maze, remove a wall, write your name, create your own shapes. Your imagination is the limits, guys. Simply drag and start to the end flags anywhere you want. Yeah. Look, you can easily use underlays. Yeah. Multiple download options. Like choose what you need. Yeah. And then you can. They've got loads of training and stuff like that to show you guys, and also all these different features, like the wall, you can change. Yeah, you can change the colours. You can change the those flags. Yeah, so like go back there. You can change these. Look, you can change the. You can upload your own here on the path image. You can upload your own for the wall image. Same with the solution image. Yeah, so if you don't want these, you can change them. Have your logo. Have your I don't know, whatever you want, guys. Yeah, so that's Simply Maze Crazy. I'll leave the link in the description, guys. But I also want to show you that I think it's a one-off payment. I'm not sure how much it is. Let's see if we can find it. Yeah, a one-off payment. No monthly fee, a one-time price for $47, guys. Yeah, look what he's on there. That's quite cool, isn't it? Yeah, and I want to show you something though, guys, because that is $47 for one-off payment, yeah, and you get Simply Maze Crazy. But they also, yeah, it's called Puzzle Publishers. You can create the most amazing puzzles books, yeah. I'll leave this link as well, you can check it out. But look, inside here, there's 12 amazing software programs included, yeah. You don't have to download nothing either. So you got your Simply Maze Crazy, which I've just shown you. Got Word Search Crazy, Mandala Crazy Pro, Graphical Search Crazy Pro, Dot to Dot Crazy Pro, Print It, Cut It, Solve It Pro, Robot Crazy Builder Pro, Simply Cut Out Crazy Pro, Finish the Image Pro, Crazy Hangman Builder Pro, Crazy Stretcher Pro, Search It and Find It Pro. Yeah, guys, that is awesome, isn't it, guys? So if you don't want to buy the one, you can get this, and I think. Yes, it's $19.97 a month, though, guys. Yeah, so that Simply Maze Crazy is only $47 one-off payment. You can use it all the time without having to pay anything else. Yeah, you can start earning money. Well, this one is $19.97 a month. Or if you want to save 2 months, you can do it that way. You cancel at any time, guys. You can use these. You get the full unrestricted rights to the things you create. So you can create printables, sell them on Etsy. That's what I do, guys. Puzzle books, maze books, and more. What you can sell on KDP and on Etsy. And physical books, guys. If you want to go and do some print on demand stuff, you can as well. So you can make some of these. So you've got 12 different softwares here, guys. So you could easily start making these. They've got all the training to each one, and yeah, guys, I'll leave the link for this and this one, the Simple Maze Crazy on its own, which is just a 47 one-off payment. But yeah, guys, again, let's just have one more look. Yeah, I want to make. Let's have a look at another one. Yeah, so let's have a look at triangle. Make it a little bit bigger. Well, you can make it bigger. I just want to keep it on the screen for you guys. That's all. We'll make this a hard one. Yeah, see how this goes. I do like these. Yeah, so we'll have this one right at the top. We'll have this one right. Put it in the corner. Chest it out here. Right. I'm not sure why it's not showing. Oh, there. I thought it was broke. Right, let's move it over here. Huh? Oh, it's on the black line there, guys. It needs to be in the white in the path, yeah? So that's more better. Yeah, I'm going to have it like that. I'm going to download this. And I'm going to... what I'm going to do as well, guys, I'm going to create a little bundle and sell it on Etsy. So we've got a circle, we've got a triangle. Let's do the square. Delete that a minute. Let's take these off a minute. Yep. Auto render. So we'll put the border as black. Well, where should we start? Start in the corner. Yeah, we'll put it right in this corner, right there. Let's put the solution back on. It's not broke. Yeah, imagine that. It's an hard one. Keep it here, guys. Yeah, and now download this one. Download that again. Put the solutions on. Let's take them off a minute. While we get, we've done a triangle, done a square, done a circle. Let's try a custom one, yeah. So let's load. Oh, these are my Christmas. Let's try this one now. Oh, we need to zoom down a bit. Oh, we need to get rid of that. Let's make it a bit smaller. Wrong one. There we go. Yeah, there. So we can rotate it if we want. Yeah, it's up to you guys. Oh, right, yeah, here we are. Yeah, so let's see if this has worked. Yes, it's worked, guys. It's worked. Let's try here. Yeah, pretty cool. Christmassy theme. Let's download that one, guys. You can do anything you want, guys. I don't want to go into. I'm going to leave it at that because I don't want to drag on too long. But yeah, that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check it out. Simply Made Crazy. The links are in the description below. And yeah, until next time, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.